Here's a short video for Z.8 multiply to binomials. I'll only do one IXL example because they're all done the same way. No matter how difficult it is, it's still the same 3 steps. So we have 2a plus 2. And we're going to multiply that by a plus 1. So after you've written down your 2 binomials, draw a Punnett square, or it looks like a window. Okay, first step is to write out your factors. So these are called factors. So I'm going to write this first one down, and I'm going to write it over here. So 2a plus 2. One thing I want you to keep track of is make sure you're not getting rid of the signs. The signs stay there. And then the second factor, write it on the side, a plus 1. Alright, so what you do to fill in each box is to multiply. So what I put in this box is I multiply 2 things. The column it's in, so it's under column 2a, and the row it's in times a. So I'm going to say 2a times a. 2a times a, that is just 2a squared. When you multiply the letters, it's just the same letter but to the power of 2. Now this box, it's under the plus 2 and in row A, so that's the same thing as saying 2 times A. And 2 times A, that's just 2A. Now this box, it's under 2A and next to 1, so 2A times 1, it's just 2A. And then final box, it's under 2 and next to 1. So 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Alright, so that's how you fill in the boxes. You multiply. Before you answer your final answer, combine any like terms. Like the diagonals are always like terms. So that's, when I combine them, that means the same thing as multiply. So 2a plus 2a. Sorry, it means the same thing as add. So how many a's do you have? I have 4 a's. So my final answer is 2a squared. And this combined to 4a, so plus 4a. And that's a positive 2 plus 2, and that is it. Most of the time you have 3 terms. And that's at most, you'll have at most of 3 terms. Always check your first term is the letter squared, so it's to the power of 2. The middle number always just has the letter, so I just have an a, but the a doesn't have an exponent, okay? So there's no exponent there. And then the final number is just a number,